Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Altitude, featured in velvet red pearl with a black interior. Under the hood there's a 3.6-liter V6 paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include 20-inch black wheels, heated steering wheel, heated seats, wireless charging, power park brake, adaptive cruise control, Sirius XM, and a power liftgate. Some of the safety features include lane departure warning, backup camera, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's the door. We have a chrome door handle. Here we have our power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows, and our powered mirrors. Just below that, we have some storage with a cup holder. Here's our main front speaker here. To the left of the driver's seat, we got our power seating and our power lumbar. We can hop inside here. And just at the bottom left, there's the power park brake. And just above that, we have our lighting controls with the dial. We can go ahead and start it up here. Just in the middle, there's the cluster. To the left on the steering wheel, we have the cluster controls as well as our phone controls. And then just to the right, we have our adaptive cruise control. We can take a look at the infotainment screen here. We have our radio, we have AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM. We can also connect a phone for Bluetooth. And then just below that, we have our climate control. We have our heated steering wheel as well as our heated front seats. And below that, we have two USB-C and USB plugins as well as an aux in the middle and a 12-volt as well as our wireless charger. And then in the middle here, we have two cup holders. We can check out the center console here. We can lift it up right there, and then we can lift it up there, even deeper down there. We have some of our safety features, lane departure warning, traction control, our parking sensors, as well as our sport mode. Check out the rear view mirror. Just above that, we pop that, hold your sunglasses. We have our dome lights right here, OnStar and SOS, as well as our power liftgate. You can check out the backup camera here. And there's the other side of the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior, here are 20-inch black wheels with Jeep center caps. We have some Grand Cherokee badging along the bottom, black mirror caps, color matched door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on both of the rear windows. Go ahead and make our way to the back here, and we can just double click to pop it open. Have a little bit of light here. We also got a 12-volt just right here, some storage below, and we can throw these seats down here. For some extra storage back here. Moving on to the rear interior, here's the door. Got the same chrome handle. We got our power lock and unlock and our powered windows. Just below that, some storage, a cup holder, as well as our main rear speaker. Before we hop in here, just want to show you, you can pop this up. Seat drops down as well as that one. Those two as well, so you can get a ton of space back here. You can go ahead and hop in here. We got magazine holders on either side. Here we got our climate control for the back, main rear vents, as well as a 3-prong plug-in, two USB-C and USB plug-ins, and a cup holder. We got our armrests, lift up and down, dome lights either side, as well as our handles here. You can go ahead and take a look in the back row here. Got cup holder, we have a USB-C plug-in, and there are the rear vents for the back row of seating. Very comfortable and very spacious. Thanks for joining me on this quick review of the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.